Moly, holy moly, it's raining, it's pouring, the old man is not snoring. You can't snore through this. Oh goodness gracious. I am huddled underneath this umbrella. My shorts are all wet. Like I'm getting sprayed in the face even as I record this. It is pouring outside right now in Norman. I know you. Oh my gosh! I think I'm gonna have to get inside for a second here. And I heard thunder and lightning. I didn't see lightning, but I heard thunder while my math class. Like I'm huddled underneath this umbrella. I cannot move my phone, or it's gonna get too wet. That's probably what happened last time, way back in April when I was recording Amtrak's Heartland Flight. You cannot do anything in this. No way. There's an limited amount of people out here. Jeez, my shorts are literally soaked at this point. And I've been walking for like a few minutes now. And it's been like this for a second here, okay? It seems like it's letting up a little bit, but it's still pouring out here. Oh, Lord. Hurry up, buddy! This is ridiculous. Oh man, this must be the worst. Oh goodness gracious. Oh my goodness gracious. Puddles out here. Oh, there's thunder right there. Puddles everywhere. Little rivers and streams. I can see why this place easily floods. This is atrocious. I got my umbrella and my shorts are still soaked. And I think I'm gonna have to let up just to make sure my backpack doesn't get wet. And so my phone doesn't get wet too. You need help? Hey! You need help? No, you're good? Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to stop for a moment. It's getting hard. It's getting harder again. Oh, good Lord! This umbrella is not helping me. Hang on. I'm gonna stop. I gotta stop for just a moment. This is atrocious. I got an umbrella and it's not really helping me that much. Gonna wait for this to slow down. Whew. Taking shelter from the rain. My gosh. Woo. I think my umbrella got so soaked, it's actually leaking. Yep, it's leaking. Woo. Soaked person, look at me. Oh, hello. Oh, I will have to pause this now. It's slowing down. See you later. Love you guys. Peace out. Subscribe. Bring up the videos. Hope to see you in the next video.